오늘은 계란 2개로 입에서 사르르 녹는 수플레 팬케이크를 만들어 보려고 해요. 폭신폭신 수플레 케이크에 좋아하는 과일을 곁들여 달콤한 시간 보내보세요.
Jagged metronome of typewriter keys. A simple thought brings you to me, and I'm thankful every day. I'm so glad I found you the old-fashioned way. In a time when we want it all, everything's so fast. Write a text, no time to call. To slow down, oh, I pray. I'm so glad I found you the old-fashioned way. I'll write to you with ink from a pen. Feel the weight as the words sink in. My mind moves too fast for my hand. I need to tell you this while I still can. It was so dark that warm summer night. I much prefer it to the bright blue light. And I feel the need to say, I'm so glad I found you the old-fashioned way. I'll write to you with ink from a pen. Feel the weight as the words sink in. My mind moves too fast for my hand. I need to tell you this while I still can.
지금까지 시청해주신 여러분 감사합니다. 영상이 조금이라도 도움이 되셨다면 구독, 좋아요, 알람 설정까지 해놓으시면 다음 영상 놓치지 않고 보실 수 있습니다.